Okay, children. So we will discuss today some important progressions questions, children. Important questions in the progression. Very important among them. The first one is among 121, 117, 113, which is the first negative term? This is very important question, children. Which is the first negative term? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, let us check which is zero number. Let us check which is zero number. Then we can identify. What is a, children, here? 121 plus n minus 1. Common difference is how much, children? Minus 4. Okay, 121 will go here. Minus 121 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 4. This goes here. N minus 1 is equal to minus 121 by minus 4. N minus 1 is equal to 430.25. 1 comes here. 31.25, children. So, children, n lies with n cannot be 31.25. It can be either 31 or it can be 32. After 31 and between before 32, somewhere 0 is coming. So the first negative term of AB is 32nd term. The first negative term is 32nd term. Very important question. The first negative term of this AB is 32nd term. Okay, children. The first negative term is 32nd term. Second question, children. The sum of the third and seventh term is 6. Sum of the third and seventh term is 6. The sum of the third term and seventh term is 6. And their product is 8. And their product is 8. And their product is 8. Okay, Premi, tell me. A3 is?
A plus 2D, A plus 60 is equal to 6.
Okay.
2A plus 8D is equal to 6. A plus 4D is equal to 6. A plus 4D is equal to 3.
Okay.
A plus 2D into
A plus 2D into
A plus 6D is equal to 8.
A plus 6D is equal to 8. A we can write as
3 minus 4D.
A we can write as 3 minus 4D.
3 minus 4D plus 2D is equal 2D into 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8.
Okay, this is
3 minus 2D into 3 plus 2D is equal to 8.
Okay, is equal to 8.
A square minus B square.
Okay, A square minus B square
Is equal to 8. 9 minus 4D square is equal to 8. 1 is equal to 4D square. D square is equal to 1 by 4. D is equal to 1 by 2.
Plus or minus
1 by
2. D is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2, children. So, children, D is plus or minus 1 by 2, and A also we should find out, children. A is equal to
A plus 4D is equal to 3.
A is equal to 3 minus 4D. A is equal to 3 minus
3 minus plus 4D. A is equal to 3 minus 2. A is equal to 1.
A is equal to 1 if D is equal to 1 by 2. Again.
A is equal to 3 minus 4 into A is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 5.
If D is equal to
minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2. So question is find the sum of 16 terms. Find the sum of 16 terms. So in this case also you should find. In this case also you should find. The sum of 16 terms is equal to formula
6n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay.
16 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 16 minus 1 into 1 by 2.
Okay.
8 into 2 plus 15 by 2. 2 plus
19 by 2. Okay, 76. This is
76.
What is this answer?
16 by 2 is equal to 2 into 5 plus n 16 minus 1 into minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
8 into 10 plus 8 into 25 by
4 5 are
20.
So the sum of the 16 terms can be 76 or 20. Sum of the 16 terms can be 76 or 20.
20.
Some of the 16 terms are 76 or 20. Okay, children, next question. Children, the first question which I told is very important. Children, please concentrate, children, and everyone start doing along with me. Children, don't sit like that, children. Everyone, please see here, everyone. Okay. So, children, I will tell all the important questions, word problems. So, first word problem. Okay. Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week. Children, see here. Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week. 5 rupees. And in the next week, she kept on increasing every week 1.75. After how many weeks her savings will become? In which week after how many weeks her savings in which week it will become 20.75?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, AP 5.
Okay.
First AP can we write?
Okay. Tell. Okay, A you want, right? A 5.
0.75.
6.75. 6.75 plus 1.75. 8.5.
5. So
Okay.
on.
So on.
20.75.
A is how much?
A is equal to 5 plus
After how many weeks?
1 in common difference is 1.75.
Okay.
15.75 by 1.75 is equal to n minus 1.
Okay.
15.75 by 1.75 is equal to n minus 1.
Okay.
N minus 1 is equal to 9.
It is
Answer.
9.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
N is equal to 10.
After 10 weeks, in 10th week, children, in 10th week, her savings is 20.75. In 10th week, her saving is 20.75. In 10th week, her saving is 20.75. Okay, next question. Subbarao is working from 1995. Initial salary was 5,000. Okay, and received an increment of 200 rupees every year. In which year did his income become 7,000? Who will tell this sum?
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Yeah, Tanush.
Sir, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200.
Okay.
2,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200.
Okay.
N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 by 200, that is.
Yeah. In
2006.
In 11 years.
Yeah, that is
11
2000.
years, his salary will become 7,000. So in 1995, he did means in 2006, his salary will become 5,000. His salary will become 5,000. Next question, children. Please see here, all of you. The sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. And next question is this only. Sum of 6th term and 10th term. Sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find A1, A2, A3. Fulton?
Sir, can I?
Rakesh, yeah.
A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24.
Okay.
A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44.
Okay.
2A plus 10D is equal to 24.
Okay.
And 2A plus 14D is equal to 44.
Okay. Simplify.
Is equal to 24. 2 into A plus 5D.
Minus this gone. Minus 4D is equal to minus 20. D is equal to 5. Okay. Substitute D is equal to 5 here.
2A plus 50 is equal to 24.
Okay.
2 plus 50 is equal to 24. 2A is equal to minus 26. A is equal to minus 12.
A is equal to minus 13. So first term is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 5?
Minus 8.
Minus 8 plus 5? Minus 3. The first 3 terms of the AP are minus 3, minus 8, minus 3 children. Okay. Next question. 70th question. Find the 20th term from the last. This is also very important question, children. Very important question. So find 20th term from the last. Who will have the sum?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
No. Yeah. Any other student?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell. Yeah, Selena.
Yes, sir.
Srinja.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, someone said no last girl.
Sir, Saiti.
Tell.
Sir, 253 will become A.
Yeah, A20 from last means 253 will
50.
become A.
Plus 20 minus 1 into
From
my
front common difference is plus 5.
plus 5. So
From
from back
reverse,
minus 5.
okay, children, from front it is plus 5. From reverse it will be minus 5. From front it is plus 5. From reverse it will be, or from front if it is minus 5, then it will become plus 5 from this one, children. So A20 is equal.
A20 is equal to 253 plus 19 into minus 5 or minus 95. So A20 is equal to 253 minus 95, which is
158.
158.
158 is the 20th term from the other end. 158 is 20th term from the other end, children. Okay. If from the beginning it is plus 5, from reverse you should take minus 5, and this is going to be common difference. Sorry, first term, children. Okay. Next question, children. We'll see here, children. Next question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Children, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Sum they are asking. First 40 integers divisible by 6. Okay. Hasit? 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 Harsh? Sridhar? Mohan?
Sir,
Yeah, Mohan.
you can repeat the question, sir. I did not copy it.
Find the sum of first 40 terms, which are multiples of 6. Find first sum of first 40 multiples of 6. 6,
A equal to 6, sir.
12, 18, so on.
A
What is
equal
it?
to 6,
S40
sir.
formula?
N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D, sir.
Okay.
A equal to 6, sir.
Okay. Okay, Nana.
And 40 by 2 into 12 plus 39
12
into
minus 6 is
6.
6. Okay. So 20 into 12 plus 39 into 6. Okay. So 20 into 12 plus 6 times are 54. 6 3s are 18. 234.
31.
So 20 into 246. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 9 2 to the 4, 4920. Okay, children, 4920, 19th question. Okay, children, next question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8.
Sir, can I say?
Who will tell?
Saumika.
First 15 multiples of 8.
8,
15 is 15, yeah.
8, 16, 24,
8, 16, 24,
24.
so 15 comes, sum of 15.
S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8.
8. So how much is that?
15 by 2 is equal to, 15 by 2 into 16.
15 by 2 into 16
16
plus.
plus 14 into 8.
Okay.
15 by 2 into 112. 15 by 2 into 128. 64.
960, sir.
960 is the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. 960 is the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. 960 is the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Like that, children. You should analyze the statement. Okay. Hope you are copying, children. Please copy, children, everyone. Don't sit idle. All of you, please copy down, children. Next question, children. 15th question. contractor children on the construction job had a penalty for the delay of completion of job. If you delay for 1 day, 200 fine children. If you delay for 1 day, 200 fine. Next day it will be fine of 250. Next day it keeps on increasing 50, 50, 50. If you delay construction for 30 days, what sum you have to pay? For 30 days, what is the total amount you have to pay? Who will tell? Any other student? No, any other student who didn't tell till now?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, tell.
S30 is equal to
S30 is equal to, tell me the formula, Nana.
30 n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay.
30 by S30 is equal to 30 by 2 into
S30 is equal to 30 by 2 into
2 into 200 plus
Plus?
30 minus 1 into 50.
50. Every day 50 rupees increase. Yeah, keep saying.
15 into 400 plus 29 into 50.
Okay, keep saying.
15 into 400 plus
1450. So 15 0 15 5 15 8 120 127 15 1 52 7750 rupees you have to pay children. Okay, 27750. Very good, man. Next question. 16th question, children. 700 should be divided among 7 students, children. 700 rupees should be divided among 7 students with a difference of 20 rupees each. How much each person will get? Who will tell the sum? Total is 70 rupees. 700 rupees. Who will tell?
Can I say, sir?
Who is that?
Harsh.
Harsh, tell.
Sir, let first person be A, sir.
Okay.
Second person be A minus 20.
Okay. So 700 rupees is there. It should be divided among 7 students.
7 students.
2A plus 7 minus 1. Common difference is how much? 20 rupees.
20.
Chalo. 700 is a
700.
200.
200 is equal to
Okay.
2A plus 6. 120.
80 is equal to?
80 is equal to 2A. A is equal to 6. So
Last
40,
person
40.
is getting 40. Next person will get how much? 40 plus 20, 60.
60.
Then 80.
80.
Then
100, sir. 120. 140. 160.
so first person will get 160, last person will get 40. This is how 700 rupees is divided among the 7 students, children. Okay. Next question. 17th question. In a school, children, there are so many 1 to 12 classes are there, children. First class people, they A section is there, B section is there, C section is there. They are planting 1, 1, 1. So total 3 trees. Second class people are planting 2, 2, 2, total 6. Third class people are planting 3, 3, 3 trees, children 9. So 12th class people will plant 12, 12, 12, that is 36. Total how many plants they have planted? Who will tell? Yes?
Sir.
No, any other student? Grishma, you tell?
Yes, sir. S12 equals to 12 to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
We have
A
first
plus
term and last term. No, use this formula. First term and last term is there. Use this formula. You know this formula, or
Yes.
shall I go with normal formula?
This
Yeah.
formula is okay, sir.
Okay, children, if you know first term and last term, you can directly use this formula instead of this. Okay, tell Nana.
S12 equals to 12 by 2 into 6 plus 30, 3 plus 36. 3 plus 36. 6 into 39.
Okay.
234. Total 234 trees will be planted.
234 trees are planted by
Okay.
all the 12 classes students. Okay, children? Very nice. Next question. 18th question, children. Please see here. Children, there is a spiral. Okay, there are spirals, children, like this. There are spirals in your textbook. You can see, children, there is a figure. Okay, like this. Radius of the first spiral is 0.5 centimeters. Second spiral is 1 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter. He is asking what is the sum of 13 spirals are there, children. 13 spirals. 13 spirals are there. Semicircular spirals. What is the sum of 13 semicircular spirals? What is the sum of 13 semicircular spirals? What is the circumference of semicircle? Anyone?
2 pi r.
2 pi r is full circle.
2 pi r by 2.
Pi r.
Just pi r. Okay. So first one perimeter is how much, children?
Pi into 0.5.
Second one?
Pi into 1. Pi into 1.5.
Pi into 1.5, so on. He is asking sum of 13 semicircular spirals. What is the
N by
formula,
2
children?
into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay.
13 by 2 into sum of 13 terms is equal to 13 by 2 into pi into 0.5
Okay.
plus 13 minus 1 into common difference 0.5.
Pi.
0.5
pi.
Yes, sir. Sum of 13 terms is equal to 13 by 2 into 2
2
pi.
into 0.5? 6.
6.
12
Pi.
into 0.5 is 6.
Yes.
Keep saying. 7 into 22
Yes,
is 7.
sir.
11 13s are 143 centimeters is the length of 13 semicircular spirals. 143 centimeters is the length of 13 semicircular spirals. Length of 13 semicircular spirals. Length of 13 semicircular. That's why I took pi r, children. If full circle means 2 pi r I would have taken, but semicircular spirals he told, children. So that is the semicircular spirals. Next question. Children, they are keeping the locks of the wood. Children, you can see the figure in the textbook, children. In the first row, he kept 20. In the next row, 19. In the next row, 18. So on. Total 200 locks are there. In how many rows he have kept? This is the question. Who will tell? Srinija? Varshita?
10 terms is 200.
Sir,
Who will tell? Srideep.
sir, what should we find? Can you just repeat the question?
And number of rows. You see the figure, Nana. In first row, 20 logs are kept. Second row, 90 log of woods they have, the logs of wood. Like that, how many rows they will keep? 200. Yes, Srideep, tell. SN
Sir,
formula is
n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
total 200, he only said.
200 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1.
This goes here.
To 40 plus, minus n plus 1.
Okay.
400 is equal to 40 minus and 39 minus.
Okay, comes here. Go. Yeah. N square.
N square is equal 400 minus 41n plus 400.
Okay.
N square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400.
Okay.
N into n minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25.
Okay.
So n is equal to 16 or 25.
Okay. So which is correct? 25 is correct. 16 is correct.
Sir, both are correct, sir.
Both are
No, both cannot be correct.
25, sir.
You have to check. You have to check.
We have to verify.
We have to verify. No, both cannot be correct. Nana. Both cannot be correct. Okay, both cannot be correct. Any one is correct. Which is correct? 25 rows are correct. 16 rows are correct.
16 rows, sir.
16 rows.
Why 25 is not correct? Anyone?
Sir, because it is coming in the it is coming from bigger number to smaller numbers.
Yeah. So bigger number to smaller number are coming means it cannot be more than
20.
20. So how can be 25 is possible? 20, 19, 18 like that it's coming means more than 20 is not possible. So
Yes,
how
sir.
can and so 16? Let's check, children. If you want you check 16 by 2 into 2 into 20 plus 16 minus 1. Common difference is minus 1. 8 into 40. 15 minus 1 is minus 15. So 8 into 25, that is 200 logs of wood are kept in 16 rows. 200 logs of wood are kept in 16 rows. There is a potato race, children. There is a potato race. What the girl is doing in this figure, you can see there are 10 potatoes, children. Children, there are 10 potatoes. What is her duty is, she has to take one potato Please see here, children. She has to take one potato. She has to keep it at a distance of, first one is she's keeping at 5 meters. She will keep at 5 meters and comes back. So first one she's coming 5 and going 5, so 10 meters. Then thereafter she's keeping at 3 meters.
3 meters.
Second potato, she's coming 8. 5 plus 3. She's coming 8 and going 8. So how much is that? 16. For third potato, she's coming 5 plus 3 plus 3. How much, children? 11. 11. How much? 22. So like that, in keeping 10 potatoes, how much does she run? Varshini?
Yes, sir. SN formula is n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 divided into d. S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2, 2 into 10 plus 9 into 6.
First one is 10 only, no? Sorry, yeah, 10. How much difference?
6.
Okay, 10.
5, 20 plus 9, 54.
The 370 meters totally she ran in keeping all the 10 potatoes. She went, came back, she went, came back, she went. Like that, 370 meters she ran totally in picking up and putting, totally. She traveled 370 meters in putting all the 10 potatoes. To put all 10 potatoes, she has to run a distance of total 370 meters. I hope you understood. Next question. Children, there is a ladder. Let's see here, children, there is a ladder. Children, there is a ladder like this. Okay, and the top distance, total distance is 2.5 meters. And these are the rungs. Rungs means steps, children. These are the rungs, okay? Like this, steps are there. And children, first one is 45 and the last one is 25. And distance between two steps is 25 centimeters. Question is, what is the length of all the steps? This plus, this plus, this plus, this plus. First of all, you should know how many steps are there, children. First of all, we should know how many steps are there. Okay, children. So in 2.5 meters, in 2.5 meters, in 2.5 meters, how many 25 centimeters are there? In 2.5 meters, how many 25 centimeter gaps are there? In 2.5 meters, how many 25 centimeter gaps are there? So n is equal to 2.5 meters by 25 centimeters. How to convert meters to centimeters, children? Into 100.
Into 100.
So 250 by 25, there are 10 gaps. Children, for each gap, 2 steps. For one gap, 2 steps. For 2 gaps, 3 steps. For 3 gaps, 4 steps. For 10 gaps,
20 steps.
11 steps. For one gap, 2 steps. For 2 gaps, 3 steps. For 3 gaps, 4 steps. For 5 gaps, 6 steps. For 10 gaps, 11 steps.
11 steps.
What is the sum of 11 steps? What is the sum of 11? Length of the 11 steps.
2
N by 2 into
2a plus L.
2.
11 by 2 into 45 plus 25 is equal to 11 by 2 into 70, 35, 35 into 11. 35 into 11 was
11 5 11 3 is 385 centimeters. 385 centimeters is the length of 11 steps. 385 centimeters is the length of 11 steps. 385 centimeters is the length of 11 steps of the ladder. How I got 11 steps? Because I got 10 gaps. 10 gaps will have 11 steps. 11 gaps will have 12 steps. 12 gaps will have 13 steps, like that. So, in 2.5 meters, how many 25 centimeters gaps are there? I counted. I got 10 gaps. 10 gaps will have 11 steps. Okay, children. At that moment, you should get this idea, children. If you don't get this idea, it will become unnecessarily big dilemma, children, for you. Next question. There are some row houses, children. There are some row houses. How many row houses are there totally? 1, 2, so on. Last row house is 49th house. In the middle, there is one house. We don't know what is its number, but before this, all if you add, after this, all if you add, that will be same. What is that number of the house? Before this house, if you add all this, suppose 40. After this, all if you add also 40, like that. Example I'm saying. Suppose before this, all if you add 200. After this, all if you add, you'll get 200, like that. Which number house is that house?
Sir, can I try?
Who will try?
Srideep, sir.
Yeah, no. Let this number house is x.
X. Yes, sir. So
before house will be
x minus 1.
No. So
Sx is equal to
no Sx, not Sx. Sx minus 1. Sum of x minus
Sx
1 houses will be equal to this one.
S 49.
No. S49 means total you will get from here to
Okay.
here.
49
Okay,
minus
okay. 49 minus 6.
From 49 you remove this much. Then you will get this one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sum of before 1 is equal to sum of after. So sum of this is equal to, from 49 you remove till here, children, till x you remove, till x you remove, then you will get remaining, like that. Now tell now, formula substitution only now, tell.
X minus 1 by 2
Shabash.
into 2 into 1 plus x minus 1
X minus 1.
minus 1.
Common difference is everywhere 1 only.
Okay, yes. 14. Wait.
Okay.
2 into 1 plus 49 minus 1 into 1.
Okay.
minus 1.
Minus,
no minus 1. 1 only.
minus x by 2 into 2 into x plus 1, no, sir?
1 only. Till here also the first house is first only.
Okay, sir. Plus x minus 1 into 1.
Okay.
X minus 1 by 2 into 2 plus x minus 1 is equal to 49 by 2. 2 plus 48 minus x by 2. 2 plus x minus 1.
Okay. If you don't mind, I'll cancel 2, 2, 2. Is it okay? It will be easy for you to do.
Yes. X minus 1 into 2, 1 plus x is equal to 49 into 50 minus x into 1 plus x.
Okay. This
1
should
plus
be,
x we can.
Okay, wait, 1 second. First open the brackets. X
Okay,
minus 1
minus
minus
1
x.
plus minus x is equal to 50 minus.
I did wrong right here. I did wrong.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
X minus
X into x
square plus x square minus 1 minus x
is equal to
49 into 50 minus x square.
Minus x square. Okay. Here plus x minus x cancel.
Cancel.
Now what do you get?
X square minus 1.
Minus 1 you bring it here.
Okay, sir.
You x is there. Huh? Anything is missing? Huh? We do any mistake? Let's check. X square minus 1 is equal to 50 minus x
minus x square.
Is it x square only, Nana?
Yes, sir. Brackets if we substitute.
Okay, minus x square you bring here. Somewhere we did wrong. Somewhere. Please check children once. X
Sir?
minus 1.
Sir, in the second
Here.
step, sir.
No, here I did wrong. Here I did wrong. Here I did wrong, children. X
What
minus 1
mistake?
minus 1.
Yes, sir. Minus 1.
X minus 1 minus 1. Here we did wrong, children. If we do any small mistake, children, everything will go wrong, children. Once check, children, everything is correct or not. x minus 1 by 2, 2 into 1, x minus 1 minus 1, correct. This is correct. This is correct. Now let's cancel 2, 2, 2. X minus 1 into 2 plus x minus 2. 49 into 2 plus 48. X into 2 plus x minus 1. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. X minus 1 into x is equal to 49 into 50 minus x into 1 plus x. Okay, children, this is correct. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This you bring here, children. So x
X
minus
square
1. Okay, let's simplify. X
X
into
square
x. X square minus x is equal to
is equal to
49 into 50
245, sir.
minus x square. Minus x cancel, children. Minus x square if you
2x
bring
square.
here, 2x square is equal to 49 into 50.
X
So
square
children, this
is
is 25. X square is equal to 7 square into 5 square. 25 wrote as 5 square. Square, square, square cancel. 35th house. What is 35th house? Sum of 34 houses will be equal to sum of 36 to 49 houses. Sum of first 34 houses will be equal to sum of 36 to 49 houses. Okay, now children? You want to verify or no need, children?
No need.
No need? Okay, sure. So sum of before R, this is 35th house. Till 34, if you add 1, 2, 3 up to there, and from 36 to 49, you'll get the same answer.
Sir, in verification, what will take sum of 36 plus 49 as?
You have to 49 you have to take, and 36 you have to take, and you have to subtract now. How will it be here? Same. Sum of 49 minus sum of 36 you should do.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Children, so next football. Last question, children, for today. So tomorrow morning, as usual, children, you will have this. So children, there is a football ground. There are 15 steps, children. First step is length is 50, breadth is 1 by 4, height is 1 by 2. Okay, children? Second step is length won't change, breadth won't change. Second step into 2 you should do. This is into 1. For one step, height is 1 by 2. And for third step, into 3.
Into 3.
For 15th step,
Into 15.
Into 15.
So sum of 15 steps. What is the formula? N by 2 into
2a plus
A plus
L.
L. Because first one we have, last one we have.
Last.
Direct substitute, children, you will get the volume of 15 steps. Okay, 15 by 2. What is A, children? What is A?
50 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 plus 50 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 15.
Chalo, children, this and this stayed out.
Yes, sir. 15 by 2 into 50 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 plus 15.
Okay, so
And
15 by 2 into 50 into
1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 16.
4 4 this is cancel. 1550 is a 750 meter cube is volume of 15 steps. 750 meter cube is volume of 15 steps. 750 meter cube is volume of 15 steps, children. Like this we have to do. So all this numericals please practice perfectly, children. Thank you so much. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me.